Hello KG class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Children, you have to submit your complete assignment as you are getting marks of these assignments in half-yearly examination. Your half-yearly examination is commencing from 12th October. And children, in this video, we are going to revise uses of computer in different places and computer a smart machine. So let's start now. Children, a computer is very useful machine. Computers are used by different people to do different types of work. It is used almost everywhere, such as in schools, homes, shops, offices, banks, and hospitals. It has become an important part of our life. Now, children, let us revise about different places where computers are used. At homes, children, you may already know that we can use computer at homes for various purposes like to watch movies and cartoons, to listen music, to play games like car racing, shooting, etc. I am sure children, you love to play games in a computer. Children, beside playing games, you can also use computer to draw and color the pictures. Next is in offices. Computers are used in offices to make office work easy, to make project, to send and receive messages. Next is in banks. We use bank to keep our money safe. So the bank uses computer for to maintain accounts, to print bank statements and passbooks. Next, in schools. Computers are used in schools both for the school staff and students for their work. Students use the computer to draw pictures and doing practical work in lab. Nowadays, teachers use a computer to teach in the classroom. Next, in shops and malls. Computers are used in shops and malls to calculate and make bills and to find out the price of goods. Next is at railway station and airport. Computers are also used at railway station and airport to issue tickets and book seats or to maintain train and flight timings. Next, in hotels and restaurants. Computers are used in hotels to record the guest detail and in restaurant to make the bills of food items. Next, in hospitals. Doctors are also used computer in hospitals for eye testing and surgeries or to preparing medical reports and x-rays. So children, we have revised uses of computer in different places. Children, you have to identify the picture of different places and tell their names also. Children, identify this picture. Which place is this? Very good children, this is office. So we use computer in office. Children, identify this place. Which place is this? Very good, this is school. We use computer in school also. Children, identify this place. Which place is this? Very good children, this is bank. We use computer in bank also. Children, identify this place. Very good children, this is railway station and airport. We use computer at railway station and airport also. Children, identify this place. Which place is this? Very good children, this is hotel. We use computer in hotel also. Children, identify this place. Which place is this? Very good children, this is hospital. We use computer in hospital also. Children, we have revised about uses of computer in different places. Now we will revise about computer, a smart machine. So children, a computer is man-made machine. Man has made machines to help him. A computer works on electricity and makes man work easier and faster. Characteristics of machines are: number 1, machines are man-made devices. Number 2, it works very fast. Number 3, it saves our time and energy. Number 4. Most of the machines run on electricity. Number 5. We use different machines for doing different kinds of work. So children, now let us revise about some common machines. Telephone. Telephone and mobile phone help us to talk to our friends and relatives anywhere in the world. Washing machine. Earlier, people had to wash all their clothes by hand. Not only did this take a lot of time, it was very tiring too. Now we can just put the dirty clothes in a washing machine. It helps us to wash our clothes and also dry them. Refrigerator. It is a common household machine that keeps things cool and fresh. This does not let food get spoiled or become stale. So children, all these machines makes our work easier. A computer is also a man-made machine that works according to the inputs or instructions given. Now characteristics of a computer are: it works very fast. It can never get tired. You can play games on it. It can store large amount of data or information. It can do different types of work at the same time. It never make mistake until we give wrong command to the computer. Children, now take out your computer fair notebook. First, you will mention your name, class, section, then write 19th assignment in capital, mention the date, write revision in capital, H.W. Now come to the next line, write QUE.1. Question number 1. Name the 5 places where computers are used. You have to write the name of 5 places where computers are used. Come to the next line, write ANS.1. Answer number 1. Home, HOME, home. Number 2. Office, OFFICE, office. Number 3. Banks, BANKS, banks. Number 4. Shops, SHOPS, shops. Number 5. Hospitals, HOS, PITALS, hospitals. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. How does a computer run? How does a computer run, children? Very good. Computer runs on electricity. In the next line, you will write ANS. Answer. Computer runs on electricity. Full stop. Come to the next question. Question number 3. Name a smart machine. Name a smart machine, children. Very good. Computer is a smart machine. Here you will write ANS. Answer. Computer is a smart machine. Full stop. Now children, turn the page. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box given below. You have to fill up these blanks with the correct words. Fast, energy, bank, man-made, hotels. Number 1. Computer is dash machine. Computer is man-made machine. Number 2. Computer saves our time and energy. Here you have to write energy. Come to the next line. Number 3. Computers are used in dash to record the guest detail. Where we use computer to record the guest details, children? Very good. In hotels. Here you will write hotels. Come to the next. Number 4. It works very fast. Yes, children, computer works very fast. Number 5. We use bank to keep our money safe. Children, in this video we have revised about uses of computer in different places and computer a smart machine. You have to do the same work as I have done in the computer fair notebook. And children, you have to revise all the work done in computer notebook. I request to all the parents, kindly help your ward to write the question as shown in given video. So children, will see you in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.